Understanding the types of leads. First, we have the cold lead. A cold lead is a lead that you have only just acquired, that knows nothing about your business, and that as yet has no interest in your product or service. However, you got your cold lead. Your next step is to convert them into a warm lead. Better yet, there are ways of ensuring that your leads are warm when they first reach you, which can save you a lot of trouble and effort. The warm lead has everything that the cold lead does. They fit your target demographic, you have the means to market to them, and they are statistically likely to buy from you. The big difference is that they have shown some actual interest in your brand, if not your product, and hopefully even given you permission to contact them. Next is a qualified lead. A qualified lead is then a lead that has taken the next step and gone from being interested in your brand to being interested in your product. That means they have somehow shown interest in buying from you. Perhaps they have asked for some information about a specific product, for example, or perhaps they have added your product to their cart or to some kind of wish list. Maybe they've backed your product on Kickstarter even. They might have asked for a quote, or they might literally have told you they want your product. Either way, the qualified lead is now someone who wants to buy and who just needs that tiny push in order to actually take the plunge.